My name's Ankur. I'm the co-founder of Harvest. We automate web data extraction without writing code or manual research. We help sales intelligence companies deliver insights from unstructured web data. Today, I'm going to show you how to do market research on a particular company's website, going super deep and structuring it for you. Here, we're going to log into Harvest. And on the left, I'm going to type in exactly what columns I want to extract from a slew of web pages. I'm also going to tell it how I want it to navigate individual web pages. Now I'm going to go and copy that particular link that I want it to go extract content from, paste it in. You're going to see Harvest start planning, figuring out, hey, these are the web pages you want, and here are the fields that I want it to extract from. Once I have those ready, you can see the web page here is actually extracted, and unlike ChatGPT, it'll actually do the live extraction for you. I'm going to go ahead and hit Harvest, and Harvest is going to start opening that particular web page open. You will see the agent actually navigating that content, talking back to you, saying, hey, I'm going to scroll down this page, click the Load More button, remove the remove modals in front of me. It'll actually find pages that are subpages and start crawling those as well for you. Start pulling that content out into the particular columns that you asked it for. You're going to see on top of that, it will additionally even click drop-downs with in your nav bar, and then ultimately give you a completed data set that has all the duplicates removed that you can export to your database. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go and tell Harvest to, you can see in the industry column is kind of empty, so I'm going to tell it to go fill in those missing values. And you can see the solution column has like weird syntax, so I'm going to go and tell Harvest to go modify those. Harvest is going to go fill in all those industry columns, clean up all those solution fields, all using the ground truth data from the particular website. Here you're going to see, finally, I'm going to export to a particular database. It'll actually map. This is in the works. That's why you see a screenshot there. We're working on this right now, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. We're live.